Hey guys, I just wanted to remind you that your midterm is coming up on or before this Sunday, October 31st. Remember that you need to sign up for the exam, so do that now to make sure that you can guarantee the time slot that you like. Also make sure that if you've scheduled it for ProctorU that you've checked all of your equipment. Please don't wait till the day of the test to realize that you don't have the required software or equipment that you need. Test it early so you don't have to worry about it. Also, there's a practice midterm in my math lab. Remember, if you do that practice midterm at least twice with at least 80% both times, you get 100 extra credit points towards your midterm grade. Now, this practice exam is very similar to the actual exam, so it'll help you prepare and it'll get you that extra credit. Make sure you do it twice with at least an 80% before taking your exam. I've also set up times Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for study sessions, both in person and virtually. Hopefully I'll see you there. And I've given even more opportunity for extra credit by doing a CLA quiz, a course level assessment. It's quick, should take you maybe 15 minutes. There's more information in the announcements on how to get to the CLA quiz, but for every question you get right on that CLA quiz, I'll give you even more extra credit towards your midterm. So take about 10-15 minutes, complete that quiz before exam day. All right, make sure you're studying hard.